A wraparound porch can transform a basic barndominium into the kind of home people stop and stare at, and most people think it costs $25,000 to $40,000. It doesn't. I'm breaking down exactly how to add a wraparound porch for under $10,000, where the costs hide, and the one design decision that either keeps you on budget or blows it by $8,000. Stay through this because there's a specific porch depth that looks perfect but adds $3,000 to $5,000 you don't need to spend, and most builders push you toward it because it's easier for them. Also, the material you choose for railings can swing costs by $2,000 to $4,000, and I'll show you which option gives you the best look for the lowest price. These numbers come from actual 2026 Barndominium builds where people added wraparound porches without destroying their budgets. The $10,000 target is real, but only if you make smart choices on depth, materials, and railings. This is how it's done. A wraparound porch extends along two or more sides of your barndominium, typically front around one corner to the side or back. It's covered, functional, and adds massive curb appeal. It gives you covered outdoor living space without adding conditioned square footage. You're building under your existing roofline or extending it minimally. That keeps costs down compared to adding interior space. Wraparound porches work especially well on barndominiums because the simple rectangular structure makes the wrap clean and straightforward. No complex angles, no weird corners, just a simple L shape or U shape that follows your building footprint. Most wraps run 8 to 12 feet deep and cover 400 to 800 square feet total, depending on how far you go. Quick reality check. The porch isn't just decoration. Done right, it adds 400 to 600 square feet of usable space you'll actually use every day. Done wrong, it becomes an expensive mistake. The $10,000 budget breakdown. Here's how you build a wraparound porch for under $10,000. Foundation and footings, $1,500 to $2,500. Concrete piers or simple slab extension. Piers are cheaper and work for most builds. Set posts every 8 to 10 feet. 4 to 6 piers total for a typical wrap. Includes gravel, concrete, and rebar. Framing and structure, $2,000 to $3,500. Pressure-treated lumber for posts, beams, and joists. Standard 2x6 or 2x8 joists on 16-inch centers. Posts are typically 6x6 pressure-treated. Beams are doubled 2x10s or 2x12s. Basic post and beam, nothing fancy. Decking, $1,800 to $3,000. Pressure-treated wood decking runs $1.50 to $2.50 per square foot installed. For 400 to 600 square feet, that's $1,800 to $3,000 total. Composite decking costs double. Skip it if you're staying under $10,000. Roofing extension, $1,200 to $2,000. Extend your existing metal roof to cover the porch. Metal roofing runs $2 to $4 per square foot installed. Includes flashing and tie-in to your existing roof. If your porch ties directly into your existing roofline with no structural changes, this is minimal cost. Railings, $800 to $2,000. Pressure-treated wood railings are cheapest at $15 to $25 per linear foot installed. Cable railings run $40 to $60 per linear foot. Metal tube railings run $30 to $50 per linear foot. For a typical wrap, 60 to 80 linear feet of railing. Wood keeps you under budget. Total, $7,300 to $13,000. Hit $10,000 by choosing pressure-treated materials, standard depths, and wood railings. Go over $10,000 with composite decking, cable railings, or deeper porch depths. Porch depth decision. This is the decision I mentioned earlier. Porch depth determines cost more than anything else. 6 feet deep. Too narrow. Feels cramped. Furniture doesn't fit comfortably. Only works if you're desperate to save money. Don't go this narrow. 8 feet deep. Perfect for budget builds. Fits a small seating area or rocking chairs. Standard furniture works. This is the sweet spot for staying under $10,000. 10 feet deep. Comfortable for dining tables and larger furniture. Adds $1,500 to $2,500 compared to 8 feet because you're adding 25% more square footage. Worth it if you have the budget. 12 feet deep. Luxury depth. feels like an outdoor room, adds $3,000 to $5,000 compared to 8 feet, blows the $10,000 budget unless you're wrapping a very small area. Stick with 8 feet if you're targeting $10,000. Go 10 feet only if you can stretch to $11,500 to $12,500. Here's the catch. Every extra foot of depth adds $750 to $1,250 per side. A 12-foot porch instead of 8 feet can blow your budget by $3K to $5K. Builders love pushing deeper because it's easier for them. Don't fall for it. Railing options. This is the other big swing I teased. Railings can swing costs by $2,000 to $4,000. Here's how to choose smart. Pressure-treated wood railings, $15 to $25 per linear foot installed. Standard 2x2 balusters, simple, functional, budget-friendly. Needs staining or sealing every 2 to 3 years. For 70 linear feet, $1,150 to $1,750. This keeps you under $10,000. Cable railings, $40 to $60 per linear foot installed. Modern look, low maintenance. For 70 linear feet, $2,800 to $4,200. Adds $1,800 to $2,500 compared to wood. Blows the budget. Metal tube railings, $30 to $50 per linear foot installed. Powder-coated steel or aluminum, durable. For 70 linear feet, $2,100 to $3,500. Adds $1,000 to $1,800 compared to wood. Blows the budget. No railings. If your porch is less than 30 inches off the ground, code doesn't require railings in most areas. Saves $1,000 to $2,000. Check local codes. Choose wood railings or skip them entirely if code allows. Cable and metal blow the $10,000 budget. Roofing tie-in. Tying the porch roof into your existing barndominium is critical for keeping costs down. Best case, your existing roof extends naturally over the porch with minimal structural changes. You're just adding posts to support the overhang. Cost $800 to $1,500. Moderate case, you need to extend the roof line slightly. Requires additional trusses or rafters and metal roofing extension. Cost $1,500 to $2,500. Worst case, your roof pitch doesn't work and you need a separate porch roof structure. Requires independent framing, roofing, and flashing. Cost $3,000 to $5,000. Avoid this if possible. Design your wraparound porch to work with your existing roof line. Don't fight it. Here's where people blow past $10,000 without realizing it. Avoid these traps. Going too deep. Every extra foot of depth adds $750 to $1,250 per side. A 12-foot porch instead of 8 feet adds $3,000 to $5,000. Upgrading materials. Composite decking instead of pressure-treated adds $3,000 to $5,000. Cable railings instead of wood add $1,800 to $2,500. Wrapping too far. A full U-wrap around 3 sides costs more than an L-wrap around 2 sides. If budget is tight, wrap front and 1 side only. Adding extras. Ceiling fans, recessed lighting, outlets, and built-in benches all add cost. Each ceiling fan adds $400 to $800 installed. Skip extras if you're targeting $10,000. Stick with 8-foot depth, pressure-treated materials, wood railings, and an L-wrap. That's your $10,000 porch. Let's look at 3 real scenarios. Example 1. Budget L-wrap porch. Front, 30 feet wide, 8 feet deep. Side wrap, 20 feet long, 8 feet deep. Total, 400 square feet. Materials, pressure-treated everything, wood railings. Cost, $7,800 to $9,500. Example 2. Moderate L-wrap porch. Front, 40 feet wide, 10 feet deep. Side wrap, 25 feet long, 10 feet deep. Total, 650 square feet. Materials, pressure-treated decking, metal tube railings. Cost, $10,500 to $13,200. Example 3. Luxury U-wrap porch. Front, 40 feet wide, 12 feet deep. Side wraps, 30 feet each side, 12 feet deep. Total, 1,200 square feet. Materials, composite decking, cable railings, ceiling fans. Cost, $18,000 to $24,000. Example 1 stays under $10,000. Example 2 stretches the budget slightly. Example 3 is beautiful but costs double. Quick pause. This is where most people lose the budget battle. They see a pretty picture of a 12-foot porch with cable railings and think, I have to have that. Don't. Stick to the plan or watch your 10K target disappear. Can you DIY a wraparound porch and save money? Yes, if you're experienced with carpentry. Framing a porch is straightforward post and beam work. Decking is repetitive but not complicated. Railings take time but aren't complex. DIY savings: $2,000 to $4,000 in labor. A $10,000 contractor-built porch costs $6,000 to $8,000 in materials if you do it yourself. DIY risks: footings must be level and code compliant. Roof tie-in must be watertight. Railings must meet code for spacing and height. Mistakes cost more to fix than hiring a pro up front. If you've built decks before, this is doable. If you haven't, hire a contractor for the framing and roof tie-in, then DIY the decking and railings to save $1,000 to $2,000.
Permits and codes. Most areas require permits for porches over 200 square feet or 30 inches off the ground. Permit costs $200 to $600 depending on your county. Includes inspections for footings and framing. Code requirements: railings required if porch is 30+ inches high. Railing height must be 36 to 42 inches. Baluster spacing must be less than 4 inches to prevent kids from slipping through. Footing depth depends on frost line. In warm climates, 12 to 18 inches. In cold climates, 36 to 48 inches below grade. Don't skip permits. Failed inspections cost more to fix than doing it right the first time. Here's the truth. A wraparound porch adds more curb appeal per dollar than almost any other Barndominium upgrade. For $8,000 to $10,000, you're adding 400 to 600 square feet of usable outdoor living space that transforms how your home looks and functions. Stay under $10,000 by choosing 8-foot depth, pressure-treated materials, wood railings, and wrapping 2 sides instead of 3. Stretch to $12,000 if you want 10-foot depth or metal railings. The porch won't just look good, it'll give you covered outdoor space you'll use every day. That's value that lasts. What's your Barndominium porch plan? Drop a comment. If you need help designing your wrap, let me know. And if this breakdown helped, subscribe because I cover real Barndominium upgrades with actual costs every week. Building smart means knowing where to spend and where to save. Wraparound porches are worth every dollar if you do them right.